Hello friends, welcome back. Today we are going to read 10 lines essay on the peacock. So let us begin. Peacock is one of the most beautiful birds on the earth. It is the national bird of India. Peacock is a blue-colored bird and its feathers are blue, green and golden. Peacock looks lovely when it dances in the rain. It has a long neck. Peacock is a male and peahen is the female one. Peacock cannot fly high because of their huge tail. They live up to 20 to 25 years. Baby peacocks are known as peachicks. Peacocks look attractive due to their colorful feathers. Thank you dear friends for watching my video till the end. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked my video, then do like and share my video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel Excellence. Thank you once again.